At Logan Services, the best measure of our work isn't what we say, it's what our customers have to say.
Last summer when it was really, really hot, the air conditioning was struggling to keep up.
We were thoroughly impressed with him, and he even came back out to do a follow-up to make sure he was quoting all the right pieces and parts. He even took our family's comfort into consideration because our systems are underneath our grandson's nursery window. So that was something that played into our decision.
So in all of the research that I've done online, Trane always came up as one of the top brands. Manufacturing, quality, durability, it was pretty much a no-brainer of what we're going to put in this house.
This is the top-of-the-line system. It's going to be installed by a family-owned and operated company that has a local footprint that's the #1 Trane dealer, and it's unparalleled service.
At Logan Services, we're proud to treat every customer like family.